Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. Stock number is 18G461A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, you have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls, full stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cherokee on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.